So, today we're going to see how few tools it takes to service an Opel Corsa.
5.
I think we can do it with 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Hi, I'm back.
Jason's back.
I'm back.
You see, when we get to something that we're not 100% sure we can do, we call Jason.
Yeah.
he's like our safety net here.
Yeah, he's our master tech.
Yeah, because the 4 Ghostbusters know nothing.
No.
No.
Well, we cross streams.
Well, much ado, but we never cross streams.
Don't we?
Never.
I've been doing it wrong this whole time.
Water pump, Cambelt, tensioner pulley. We've got some antifreeze because we've got to flush out the radiator, obviously, when you change the water pump. And then we're also just going to tackle the gear selector seal and then top up the gearbox oil. Yeah, it's my stepdad's car. This thing's been going for years. They actually got them from Cape Town signing like this. I'm surprised.
And for that I got 1 burger.
That was a big burger. It had 2 patties and chili.
Tool number 1, flat screwdriver. Let's see how far this takes us.
Tool number 1, holding tool number 1.
Indeed. Why is it outside, Dave?
Well, obviously we have to flush the radiator, so we have to pull off a hose and get all the water out because we're going to take out the water pump.
But where your hose
Well,
at?
you can't do that because all the
No, it's just the hose,
Yeah, we-
and that hose there.
We changed the plan. We
So
decided
we
we're
do
leaving it
water
just like that, and we're putting the water pump out because
That's
that's
at
all.
the lowest point.
Well, and also it'll clean the engine while we're at it.
Thanks to Goldwagen de la Rey, we have all our parts. We have a Continental Cambelt. We have our antifreeze. We have our gearbox top-up oil from Liqui Moly. More gearbox oil from Liqui Moly. And what is this?
Seal.
Oh, the seal for the gearbox.
All sizes except 16.
Yeah, that's mine. That's not yours. That goes to the Rivnut gun. Okay, so with that is not from Goldwagen. Inside here we have tensioner for said Cambelt. And here we should have the water pump. Ta-da! Nice water pump, metal blade. That's what we want.
I'm still going to pretend that we did this with a flat.
Thanks, Goldwagen de la Rey.
This is not a paid promotion. Yet.
I'm so glad I volunteered to do this. Thanks, Jason.
Just rotate the crank for me somehow.
Hold on, don't do anything at the moment.
You need the crank to be rotated?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you haven't got a socket in it.
And, so,
Oh, you mean,
yeah.
how much? Which way? Okay, you TDC, yeah, but are you TDC? Not quite, go a little bit more.
TDC.
Okay.
No, go, go, go. Go, 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 and there, that's fine.
Good job.
Yeah, it's on TDC now. Where's this one?
It's literally a ball hair shy of being on TDC.
One of my favorite motors.
I mean, I couldn't break a 1400, so...
I broke 2 liters, lots of them.
I broke a 1.3 liter GSI.
I broke a 2, no, I didn't break lots of 2 liters. I broke the same 2 liter lots of times.
Okay.
Not ideal. This is not a timing belt, this is a ticking time bomb.
Yeah. The thing is, I mean, like I said, this has been driven for many, many years, and they actually drove up from Cape Town with this like that.
Well, you may not be able to see it on the camera, but a lot of little spider cracks there. This wasn't far from failure. It was a matter of time.
Good timing.
Good timing.
So a little bit of rust here. This is a telltale sign that the water pump was leaking. Not massively, but you know, long time. So hidden away behind the cover where you can't see it, gradually using a little bit of water, there's your problem.
Top me up with the Victoriana Baxter.
Don't look at me, I didn't say that.
New pump. Ready to go in. We're going to see if we can get this one out.
Okay, so they used the pump to tension up on the bath.
Alrighty, let's see.
Good girl. Only fans.
How does it feel? Only fans.
I'll do one. The old ones were fast. Now I'm going to
Tell us what you're doing here, Chad.
We're just cleaning up the housing with a little bit of water paper. Make it all pretty, ensure that it's not leaking past the water pump. Make it pretty.
Nice.
And finally, remember to bring the circular saw.
Because we all keep hitting ourselves on that corner over there. It's only taken you how long now? 3, 4, 5 weeks? 5 weeks? Okay, cool.
I got this down though.
Yes, yeah. So normally what happens is you've got to switch on. Wow.
What did you say?
Nothing. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we've now run out of extension. Wait, hold on. So we put that there. Hello?
Grease of any sorts.
Yes, I've got the prothane grease here.
I got
That
sawdust.
will work. Amazing. Yeah, we got sawdust. Okay, so there should be one under the table. Yeah, right there.
So what you got to do is you got to plug it in, get it going, and then
Yes, quickly. Yeah,
Exactly.
like, yeah,
Kinetic
100%.
energy.
100%, I agree with that. Okay, so anyway, back at it. You must switch on the plug.
Somebody switches all these plugs off. Who
Yes.
does that?
I don't know, who would actually switch off a plug? I mean, really.
This is the thing.
Nice.
No, it's perfectly straight.
It identifies as straight, okay?
cover afterwards, yeah?
Cover's back in place, and now the dash goes on.
Sometimes.
Finally giving a continental.
And I can get this on when he releases the tensioner for us.
The tension should be already released.
Are we still TDC?
Yeah, we are still TDC at the bottom.
Excellent.
Okay.
You should be able to now. Can't slide it over?
Not a chance. You'd have to release that tensioner a bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Nicely done, man. Sorted.
We on?
We're on. Let's release, check the marks, and then we can close up.
New Cambelt.
Okay, so rotate motor.
Rotate motor a little bit.
Okay, so currently there's no filter on and there is no fan belt on. So now we're just going to start and make sure that it's...
Jason,
Right.
why are your fingers crossed?
Okay, let's go. Yeah, but that's right there.
And that's it. It's done. It's running. Yeah, it wasn't exactly a step by step. That was more just 5 guys mucking about in a garage.
So you pushed a button and that dropped. You pushed the wrong button.
Oh, you got offended.
Witchcraft. He's over offended.
But it's there, and it's done, and it's running, and good. And a big ups to Jason.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thanks,
dude.
Jason.
Thank you very much, Jason.
Technical expertise once again.
He came here as technical assistant to just being master mechanic.
No, thanks, bud. That's really lekker.
Another day at the office, you know.
Oh, yes.
Can't say the same.
Once again, it's not just me, though. At least it's me and you this time.
Yeah.
And am I just a son of a bitch over here or what?
But aren't your hands always like that?
Shut up.
All right. So thank you very much for watching. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. Catch you guys next time. Cheers.
Bye.